Mac Studio's removable SSD is reportedly blocked by Apple on a software level. Yeah, you're damn right it is. Everything's getting locked down. Everything's getting tightened right up. You're not going to touch anything in the future. It's going to be your device is going to be at a distance. You know, it's going to be like a few inches away from you, and you just can't reach out and manipulate it anyway. It's like, no.
Yeah. It's augmented reality.
Yeah, not for you. Don't. Yeah. You better put that screwdriver of yours away.
Yeah.
Zap. I just wanted to see how it worked.
You get punished? No.
I just wanted to repair my...
That's Tim Cook.
I got a lozenge going on today.
You do, yeah.
And I shared one with Jack, and he was blown away with my lozenge.
He found it to be good?
He loved it.
Oh.
You didn't do my lozenge yet.
Is it the honey one?
Yeah, it's the honey one.
All right, I'll do the lozenge.
Man. Apple's new Mac Studio is revealed to have an interesting secret over the weekend. It has removable SSD storage, but a subsequent video from YouTuber Luke Miani reveals that the Mac Studio still can't be upgraded, not because of hardware limitations, but because Apple appears to be blocking replacement SSDs on a software level. I'm not surprised by this. You know, they lock it down. Someone will hopefully find a way around it.
Just hack it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Because you would want to.
Upgrade your SSD?
Yeah.
Absolutely. But it's the same thing as like we were saying before with the display. Come to your authorized Apple Store service location, and we will replace your SSD.
That sounds like a meme.
I don't know, man. I blame the lozenge for that.
Yeah.
Anyway, it's tricky to get it out. Everything is much more non-user friendly when it comes to repairs and such. But I didn't get this studio, but maybe I'll get this studio.
You should.
Because you're gonna steal that one. Or sorry, Mo's gonna steal that one.
Yeah.
The Pro for a different purpose. And then I guess I got to get the studio. But can't I run... Let me ask you, Will, for a little update right now as we try to plan for our future, the future of this company.
Okay.
Can I run 2 of the Pro Display XDRs from any of the new MacBook Pros?
You could.
Go ahead, Will. Speak to me.
I don't know, but you should be able to run 2 5K streams.
No, not 5K. I need 6K.
Are they 6K?
Pro display.
Oh, yeah. I'm pretty sure.
So click on it. Let's make sure before we buy this. Will, you can't just be spending $6-7 grand. You need to know.
What are we
you
looking
need to know
for
these
here?
things. Go to MacBook Pro. Go to 14. Wait a sec. I have the 14 already. Can I just use that?
Is Kirk using it?
Give me a text.
No, he's using the 16.
Give me a tech spec. Okay. All right. Here we go. Keep going. This is the stuff I'm looking for. At some point, it's going to tell us what we can power as far as monitors are concerned. Probably in the expansion 3. Display support. 2 external displays, 6K
Yeah, that's what I told you.
at 60 hertz. You said 5K, but hold on. Up to 3 external displays with 6K resolution and 1. Oh, for M1 Max. Okay, M1 Pro is 2. So that's it. I'll go grab that one.
Yeah,
I already have it.
the 14.
Yeah, I grabbed that one. I'll power those 2 displays. Call it a day.
And Mo takes your
Because
Mac.
what I'm doing,
Yeah.
and then he's doing a multi-stream recording on the Mac Pro, and this is some inside baseball talk right now, as we attempt to get this company back together. Well,
Yeah, efficiency, you know. And I guess the hard drive for the Mac Studio Ultra is quite a lot. Like for 8 terabytes, it's an extra 2,200.
yeah, it's very expensive. It's a thing that you would hope you could upgrade at a later point, but it's not going to be an easy move. Granted, the value is like the 2 terabyte, I guess. extra 400, get double. It's, man, SSD storage, it really just hasn't, it's come down, but not that in an extreme way. It sort of seems to have slowed down a little bit.
Right. But still, it's quite expensive. And you would want to put it in the Mac Studio. You don't want it to be external. You're carrying two things around, you know?
Yeah, I can't be carrying two things. I need it all in my nice little pancake.
Yeah, a nice package.
I want to have it all in my protein pancake. You ever have one of those? Look at this guy, by the way. He's killing it right now.
Yeah.
Luke Miani, look at him.
I see him.
He got the studio going, he's got all the content, and he's doing the teardown. Doesn't iFixit do the teardown?
They do as well.
But
they just released it.
But he likes his better.
Well, yeah.
I
think so.
Because
he made it.
Well, he made it, and he gets the AdSense and everything.
Yeah.
And he attempts to upgrade. And it's a personal interest, and this is his upgrade attempt.
Yeah, you could see it has a red light indicating that it's not reading the hard drive.
Oh, damn.
Or the SSD.
Let me ask you something, Will.
What?
Let me ask you something. Is that Mac Studio good looking or bad looking?
The whole package? Talking about everything?
Yeah.
Yeah. I like it. What's wrong with it?
Can you view the gallery for me, please?
Maybe you can add like a skin or something. That would be kind of cool.
Can you view the gallery for me?
All right.
Is this not maybe a little bit bland? Go ahead, Will.
I mean, it depends. If you like something that is like simple and clean, you can go for this. Or you can go for like a custom built PC or something with like water cool, RGB, all that stuff. I mean, I don't mind it.
Okay.
What do you think?
No, I'm just asking you.
Okay.
Just need to know what you think.
Well,
I mean, I thought the longer I look at it, the more it looks like, and this is not necessarily a bad thing, like simple can be good, but the more it looks like just a box, like the simplest, boringest box you could possibly imagine. Like, you must feel what I'm saying, right?
Yeah.
Like for
I
Apple.
see people stacking it as well.
But do you see the way it looks under the monitor? If you get the studio monitor and the box, like click on that petapixel, the other one. Like, this is a real life shot. That's what the desk looks like. It feels to me like an outlier amongst Apple products. The proportions of it, I don't know. But that happened to me only upon looking at it more. I don't mind the other girl's setup below. Like, that feels a little bit better. But I don't think people are going to set it so far aside. I don't know. I'm conflicted. Maybe I got to get one and pass it around, toss it around.
Yeah. I know that they're really heavy.
Well, yeah, you can tell. A brick. A little tank.
You use it as a weapon.
Maybe it's just such a new form factor that it's confusing my mind. But with all the horse.
That's a real shot.
Yeah, to see what I mean, what a real shot is, Will? Yeah. Like a real life, like a place you might find yourself. That's a place right there you might find yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I would just tuck it under the desk.
I know. That's the thing. But usually with that, like that.
Well, aren't you supposed to...
It looks like you got a little toaster or something. It looks like
the Mitsubishi toaster?
Yeah, it looks like a kitchen appliance, sort of.
Yeah.
I don't think anyone's going to hide them, though, because they're so
And you got to use the ports.
Exactly. Right? So I think it's meant to be right there. And it's almost like if the display had the better stand, the taller stand, it would make more sense. But it's so tight.
Yeah. There's some people who add the monitor on top of the Mac Studio.
That's wild too, isn't it? Like, there's no way Apple wanted you to do that. There's no way that was their plan.
Hold on.
What are you looking for?
Just the studio stacked on top, or the studio display stacked on top of the...
that was on Detroit Borg's. That was on Detroit Borg's Twitter feed. You had it earlier. Just scroll up. Right there on the right. Yeah.
See, I don't mind that.
You want to do that?
I can go for that.
Okay, he's doing it.
It's like a standing
I
desk.
feel like you're
or
going to
something.
scratch up the top. You got to put some felt pads or something on there.
Yeah.